Removing the rear seats on an F generation BMW. Start by lifting the front edge of the seat right in the centre of where someone would be sat on both sides, and then just feed the seat belts through. On this side it will need undoing under the seat. So just a T50 torque screw attaching the seat belt through the seat. And once that's removed, you can pull the seat belt through the seat. Freeing the lower part of the rear seat completely. So for the bolsters at the side of the seats, just drop the seat down and you pull in at the top as hard as you can until it pops out. Move the seat belt out of the way and then lift it out of position. Now, as the seatbelt isn't part of the seat, all you've got to do now is remove a bolt from each side, and they just slot in the middle. So you see it just slotted onto that pin there. And that pin is part of the 60 side of the seat. Thank you for watching. If this video has helped, please do leave a comment. For more videos on this car and many others, please do check out my channel. Thank you.